Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 3 best immersion hand blenders that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 3, we have Brawn MultiQuick. When it comes to hand blenders, it'd be hard to top the Brawn MultiQuick. This nifty little kitchen appliance is one of the most comfortable models we've reviewed, and the buttons are easy to use. When it comes time to grind, whip, and blend, the Brawn offers the utmost performance, further enhanced when you engage the turbo boost. During our smoothie making party, this device did a great job, didn't create much suction, and pulverized everything very quickly. We also found that the attachments for this model were especially easy to change. However, speaking of attachments, the Brawn only includes 2. If you're looking for a model with a chopping cup attachment or a milk frother, this is not the one. At number 2, we have Olson T300W Immersion Blender. The Olson T300W Immersion Blender is one of our favorite models, especially considering the price. It's very easy to toggle speed while in use. You don't have to stop blending to change speeds, unlike several models in our review. Removing the shaft when it's time to clean is as easy as can be, and attaching it is a cinch. While using the Olson T to create smoothies, your testers noticed that it creates a bit of extra suction. Although the handle is comfortable, it is relatively large. This may be preferable for some people, but others may prefer a device with a more slender construction. Lastly, the Olson T only includes the standard shaft and chopper, but that may be all you need. And finally at number 1. Mueller Ultra Stick. If you are looking for a model to use in a professional setting, or you know you're hard on your kitchen appliances, check out the Mueller Ultra Stick 500W 9-speed. This device has a solid feel due to its metal construction, and the blending arm locks directly into the motor. Your team found this model particularly powerful during your blending assessment, thanks to its 500-watt motor. The power buttons are a cinch to use, adding to kitchen efficiency. Flaws aside, the Mueller Ultra Stick 500W is a terrific choice if you're in the market for a heavy-duty hand blender. However, the speed dial is rather challenging to use during operation. You can work around this by placing your speed on the right setting before blending. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.